Hi friends, once again welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Also, I would like to thank all my subscribers as well as viewers. People were giving nice comments and we also were able to support them on time. All the comments were addressed almost. You can watch our channel, and this video particularly for Mumbai city, you can pay your property, any kind of property tax in Mumbai across any ward. A ward or B, C, D, any of the ward across Mumbai, you can pay online all your property taxes, including previous property arrears, tax arrears. I will just show you how this can be quickly done, and I will also show two methods in this video. One is paying through your property account number. So if you know the property account number, it's very quick and easy. You can pay directly. I will show you how it is. And I will also show you a method. Suppose if you do not know your property ID, property account ID, how to pay it without knowing how to get your account number online. So let us quickly start with the video here. So you have to open a Google search page on your device, mobile or laptop or iPad, any device, and search for MCGM space portal. This is the text you have to search for, MCGM portal. So as you can see, the first link you can open up, portal.mcgm.gov.in. This is the link you are going to open. So just click on this link and it will open up the web page. And as you can see, you have language options. You can select accordingly. And left side, there is an option, property tax new. So this is the text you are going to click here for paying your property tax in Mumbai city. So when you click on this, there is a pop-up. You can skip it just by skipping the skip option below. You can see here, this is the skip button. Just read through and skip it. Now you are into the portal. Now just you can scroll down. At the end of the page, there is a CVS login, and this needs your property account number. So we will show you two methods. First, let us say you know the property account number. Enter the property account number and captcha and click on the login button. This is the procedure here. Okay, so I will also show you how to log in without account number later after this the same video, but after showing with account number. So now I just assume you know the account number. This is the account number, and the account number will be 15-digit one, and it starts with DX or AX or BX according to your block. Okay, so enter your property account number here and then captcha here, the same captcha, and click on login button. So if you do not have any dues for your property, you can see it says no outstanding payment pending. That means your tax payment is up to date. You can click on OK button. Okay, this is just I wanted to show you the example, and just take another property account number. This is C ward. You can see the first letter is C. It is C ward example. Previously I showed you the D1. Now you enter the property details and the captcha and click on login. As you can see, once you are logged in, there is no message. That means you have an outstanding bill. You can scroll down and see your outstanding bill and balance. See, if you have multiple properties, it will show a serial number 1, 2, 3, etc. All the properties will be listed here, and this is the balance for this example. There is a lot of balance, huge balance here. So how to clear it off? There is an option also, view bill. You can see here there is a radio button. Just click on the view bill radio button. Automatically it will take you to the view bill option, where the bill summary, how this bill has come, all the things you can see here, property, transaction, year, number, all these things, and your bill breakup will be clearly given here. This is what I wanted to show you, how the bill comes this much, how is this calculation arrival, and the slab, everything is given here. You can scroll down and see how your breakup of the bill, I mean details of your bill, will be shown here. And for paying, again, if you scroll down the bottom, so you can see the outstanding amount. It says 2 lakhs change, and you wanted to pay, there is another button, amount you wanted to pay. You can customize the amount. It's not that you have to clear off every amount. I mean all the amount you is shown here, or you can click on this amount you wanted to pay. Even you can give some, say I am paying just 12,000. It is possible. You can enter the amount and click on online payment button. So you can clear as per your wish. It's not that you have to mandatory clear all the outstanding amount. That is up to you. And also please read through this note. If you have some arrears, the oldest bill will be automatically adjusted. I think you got this, because if you pay this and suppose you have some old bill, it starts from the old bill. If you wanted to particularly pay only 1 month, you have to tell them before paying, I am paying only for this month, not the previous arrears. So when you click on the pay option, you can see there is some terms and conditions. Just please read through this, friends. And you can click on proceed button. As you can see here, you can select the bank now for online payment. If you click on the select bank button, there is a lot of options. Almost all the banks are listed. First you have to select the payment gateway. Don't worry about this, there is only one option. Select the Citibank payment gateway and click on the pay now button. Now it will take you to the other options where you can select your own bank through internet banking. Click on the internet banking option. Only 6 banks are topmost banks are shown top, but if you click on the other option of bank option, all banks option, you can see here, scroll down and see almost all the banks are listed here. All the national level banks are here, maybe some rural banks also. You can select your bank accordingly here from the all bank section, and after that click on make payment. So as per your bank, see I just selected Kotak, so it went to the Kotak mobile banking account. So this is how you pay. Now I will show you how to pay without account number. So this first example was, you know the account number, you are paying the tax. Suppose you do not know the account number, what you can do? Again, go to the same portal mcgm.gov.in, and here again select the same property tax new text tab. Click on this tab. You come to the same page where we were entering the account number. If you scroll, skip this first. You can read through and skip this. Bottom of the page there is a skip option. Suppose you click here and skip this, and at the bottom again you can see here we were entering the property account number here, but in this case you do not know the property account number. What you can do? So previously we had entered, so we don't know this. Okay, we don't know the property account number. So the option here is there is a search option here on the bottom, as you can see next to the login button. This is the search option. You have to click on this search. That means you are going to search your account ID. So as soon as you click on the search, first you have to select the ward of the Mumbai city municipal corporation. See, all the ward options are here, so you should know which is the ward you are searching the property for. Select the ward accordingly. For example, say in this case I select B ward, and then you have many options are there, but either you have to give the billing name, means to whose name the property billing will be done, or you can give assessee name, means to in whose name the property is there. You can give any of this, but you should know this. For example, in billing name I can just search for, say I am searching for my name here. Say I give as Raj and click on search. You can see search button is not active because you have to give minimum 5 characters of the name. Okay, so minimum 5 characters should be there in the assessee name or billing name. Any one is enough. So for example, I just give a 5-letter name Kiran, and I scroll down. As you can see, 5 digits are there. So 5 digits are must here to search. 5 letters are must. After giving 5 letters, again scroll down and click on the search button. So this will give you all the property under the name. Part of name is Kiran and block is B. You can see here a lot of properties are listed, and in this only one page is there. So if more pages are there on the top, you can select that also. I'll just show you. See this, you can see billing name has Kiran Anant. So it is like all combination of Kiran will be searched through. It's not only the Kiran, the name is Kiran belongs to the part of the name. And you can see here this is the first page, and if there is multiple pages, you can click on next page and go if your search is not found in this page. Also left side top you have a view select. You can see here you have a select option. If you select this, and you can change how many property search should be listed. For example, I wanted to search list out all 50. Just click on 50, all the 50 will come, so you don't need to go to next page. So just find your property billing name and SSC name. Here everything is there. So once you find your own property, you click on the radio button there, and that is the property you are going to pay tax for, and you have to skip it here, this page as usual. So as you can see, you have selected the SSC name and the property account number has come here. So this way you can know, and you can note down your property account number also, so that next time you don't need a search. Okay, so this is the property account number you are going to pay, which you have selected by the radio button. So by default it comes here, you don't need to change here. What you have to do is only enter the captcha and click on the login button here. So as you can see, property account number, billing name, property address, all these details were shown in the search. The same detail will be shown, and if you scroll down, you can see the outstanding bill, and you can pay it off the same way I had shown you a little minutes before, where see, you can see here this person has almost 1 lakh and change balance. So you can click on this radio button, view details can be seen, what is the breakup of the bill, and after that scroll down bottom of the page and you can pay it off. You can see here there is an online payment button. You can click here and go to your internet banking and pay it off as I shown just before some time back. Thank you very much for watching. Next we will be doing 2 videos on Mumbai again. You can see all your property ledgers, like all the previous tax payment you have made. Also in another video I would like to show you how to get a no due certificate on your property. Okay, this will be shown in next consecutive videos. Please stay tuned. I would like to request you to give us a like for this video. Also, if you do not mind, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, friends. Thank you very much.